human life begins through a highly complex yet perfectly organized biological process. Pregnancy starts with fertilization, which leads to the formation of a zygote. This zygote later develops into an embryo, then a fetus, and finally a complete human being.
Fertilization occurs when the male reproductive cell, known as sperm, merges with the female reproductive cell, called the ovum or egg. This usually occurs in the fallopian tube. The sperm penetrates the ovum's zona pellucida and fuses with it, forming a zygote, the first form of human life.
The zygote is a diploid cell containing chromosomes from both parents. Immediately after formation, mitotic division begins. This cellular division, known as cleavage, gradually produces smaller cells.
Within a few days, the zygote passes through the 2-cell, 4-cell, and 8-cell stages. Around 3 to 4 days after fertilization, it forms a morula, a solid ball of 16 to 32 cells, which begins its journey toward the uterus.
As fluid accumulates, the morula transforms into a blastocyst. The inner cell mass will develop into the embryo, while the trophoblast will form the placenta. Around 5 to 6 days after fertilization, the blastocyst reaches the uterus. The first way.
The blastocyst attaches to the uterine wall in a process called implantation. Its outer layer of cells, the trophoblast, begins to specialize. The inner layer, the cytotrophoblast, stays organized and close to the embryo. The outer layer becomes
The trophoblast forms chorionic villi connecting with maternal blood vessels. The placenta begins supplying nutrients and oxygen to the embryo, removing waste, and producing hormones like HCG, progesterone, and estrogen.
The inner cell mass differentiates to form the embryo. 3 layers develop. Ectoderm, which gives rise to skin and the nervous system, mesoderm, forming muscles, bones, and the circulatory system, and endoderm, which becomes the digestive system and lungs.
The embryo becomes a fetus with a recognizable human form. The placenta supports all physiological needs. From weeks 9 to 12, major organs differentiate, and weeks 13 through 40 involve continued growth and maturation.
The placenta is a temporary organ active throughout pregnancy, serving as the mother-fetus interface by delivering oxygen and nutrients, removing carbon dioxide and waste, and providing hormonal support. After delivery, it is expelled as afterbirth.
Life begins with fertilization, forming a zygote. The zygote undergoes cleavage, forms a morula, then a blastocyst. The blastocyst implants in the uterus and develops into the placenta, embryo, and eventually the fetus. The placenta is vital for supporting early